First break down your pallets, and make sure you keep all bits of wood. I will show you why later. Then lay down 2 pallets as the base. You will want to make it comfortable for your dog. I use underlay. And then put vinyl over the top. Next you will want to measure and cut all your side walls. Lay them out neatly once you have cut all pieces of side walls, so you don't get them mixed up. Then go ahead and nail the side frames together. And now for those pieces of timber I said to keep earlier. Cut them to length of frame. Lay them down making sure they fit, then nail them down. It should look something like this. Place all sides of frame on base. Then once you are happy that it looks right, nail frame to base, as well as nailing all sides to each other. This is where we are so far. Almost done. Just a few finishing touches and your whelping box is all ready for your new puppies. I built this for a Saint Bernard. The size will vary depending on the breed of dog you have. Thanks for watching this presentation on how to build a whelping box brought to you by Random Rumble. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and give it a big thumbs up.